got my Mavic Pro back again. I think at this point I had it less time than it spent at DJI in repairs. They've seen my drone more than I have seen it myself. Let's see if it's actually in good shape. This was definitely the biggest damage I've done to it so far, because it was run over by a car. Oh damn. This thing looks brand new. Pretty nice. The entire repair was like 200 bucks. So I'm not sure how that works. The more you break them and the more you send them to DJI, the less money they charge, I guess. I mean, looks great. Thank you, DJI. For those of you who just received your drone after repair, after you sent it out to DJI Support, I have one simple advice. It comes with this paper which tells you how to relink your remote control. Follow the instructions. Obviously I ignore everything and I try to get it to work and it doesn't work, right? So read the instructions, it's very simple. Turn both devices on. Open your application. It might ask you to log in again. Once you're in the camera, click the little robot icon and it will bring you into this remote control settings. Scroll all the way down and there's linking remote controller link at the very bottom. You press that, the remote control will start making the noise, beeping noise. Then you open this window where you put your memory card and you press that button. It's a hidden button. Just get your pen and press the button right above that green light and it will be linked. And then you're all set. Obviously you will have to upgrade the software 10 times and only then you'll be able to use the drone. So enjoy. I mean, this thing is brand new now. I wonder how long this will last. Couple days, I hope. Update process is on, which means I can go for like a 45-minute run and hopefully by that time it will be done.
Prepare to embark upon the darkest voyage, unknown, history of mankind.